I don't like the look of that. I've never seen anything so strange. Let's take another closer look. My God, that's so evil. Did you see that? It's dragging us into some kind of force field. I'm trying to pull us away, 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 away. That's full power, we're getting closer. Oh my God, what's that? It's got us too late. Goodbye.